Imagine opening an old drawer in your house and finding a few coins that look completely ordinary, just small pieces of metal that most people would spend without even looking at them. But what if I told you that some coins hide stories that travel through decades of history and sometimes even across centuries? Today, we're going to look at 5 different coins that may seem simple at first glance. A coin from 1942 that was born during a world at war. A 1952 nickel that survived more than 70 years of history. A 1954 coin that quietly passed through generations of hands. A 1977 nickel that traveled through the changing decades of modern America. And even a 1997 coin that connects the past with the present. Each of these coins carries something more than money. They carry time, memories, and secrets that most people never notice. Some might only be worth a few cents. Others could surprise collectors with hidden value. But the real question is this: how many people spent these coins without ever realizing the stories they held? So before you ignore the next coin you see, 97 Jefferson Nickel. It was just another ordinary afternoon when someone emptied their pocket onto the table. A few keys, some dust, and a small coin that looked completely normal. Most people would never notice it. Most people would spend it without thinking. But sometimes, hidden in plain sight, the smallest coin can carry a story that stretches across centuries of American history. This coin is the Jefferson Nickel, first introduced in 1938, replacing the famous Buffalo nickel. The face of the coin shows Thomas Jefferson, the 3rd President of the United States, a man whose ideas about freedom and democracy helped shape an entire nation. When you hold this coin in your hand, you're not just holding 5 cents. You're holding a tiny piece of history. Now look closely at the year, 1977. The 1970s were a fascinating time in the United States. The country was changing rapidly. Technology was evolving. The Cold War shaped global politics, and everyday Americans were going through economic struggles. Yet millions of coins like this one were being minted and released into circulation, passing from hand to hand, pocket to pocket, silently witnessing the lives of countless people. But what makes collectors stop and look twice at a coin like this? The answer lies in the small details that most people never notice. Collectors around the world search for tiny variations, mint marks, rare errors, unusual strikes. Sometimes a small mistake during the minting process can turn an ordinary coin into something much more valuable. A doubled letter, a misaligned strike, a rare mint error. These are the secrets hidden in coins that once seemed completely ordinary, and that's where the story becomes interesting. Imagine someone in 1977 receiving this coin as change from a grocery store. It could have passed through thousands of hands over the decades. Students, workers, travelers, collectors. It might have been dropped on a sidewalk, saved in a jar, or forgotten in an old wallet for years. Every scratch on its surface is a silent memory of where it has been. Some collectors believe the real magic of coin collecting isn't just the money, it's the mystery. A coin like this could have traveled across states, across generations, even across continents. Nobody knows exactly where it started or where it ended up. And yet here it is, still surviving, still telling its story. Most 1977 Jefferson nickels are common coins, usually worth just their face value. But sometimes, depending on the condition and rare minting errors, collectors may pay more. Coins in perfect condition, what experts call mint state, can attract attention in auctions and collector markets. But the truth is, the value of a coin isn't always measured in dollars. Sometimes the real value lies in the journey. Think about it. This small 5-cent coin has survived more than 4 decades. Governments changed, technology changed, the world changed. Yet this tiny piece of metal remained, quietly moving through. 1942, Jefferson Nickel. Imagine holding a small coin in your hand. Just 5 cents. It looks ordinary, worn by time, its edges softened by decades of travel. Most people would spend it without a second thought. But what if this tiny piece of metal was born during one of the most dramatic moments in world history? Now look closely at the year on the coin, 1942. This was not just any year. The world was in the middle of World War II, one of the most intense and life-changing periods in modern history. Nations were fighting across continents, economies were shifting, and even something as small as a coin had to change because of the war. The coin you are looking at is the Jefferson Nickel, featuring the face of Thomas Jefferson, a symbol of American independence and democracy. But in 1942, something unusual happened to this coin. Nickel metal was suddenly needed for the war effort. It was used in military equipment, armor plating, and machinery that soldiers relied on in battle. Because of this, the United States Mint had to make an important decision. They changed the composition of the coin. Instead of using the usual nickel alloy, the mint began producing special wartime nickels made with silver, copper, and manganese. These coins are often called war nickels. Think about that for a moment. A small 5-cent coin, changed because the world was at war. Millions of these coins were produced, but each one carries a silent connection to that era. Somewhere in 1942, a worker at the mint placed a blank metal disc into a press. In a fraction of a second, powerful machines struck the design onto the metal. And just like that, this coin was born. But its journey had only just begun. Maybe the first person who held this coin was a factory worker supporting the war effort. Maybe it passed through the hands of a soldier, buying a cup of coffee before boarding a train. Maybe it was used by a family saving every cent during difficult wartime days. Coins move through history in ways we rarely think about. Over the decades, this 1942 nickel could have traveled through thousands of pockets, across cities and states, silently witnessing generations of people. Collectors today find these coins fascinating because they represent more than money. They represent a moment in time. Some 1942 Jefferson nickels even contain special mint marks that make them easier to identify. During the war years, large mint marks were placed above the building on the reverse side of the coin, something never done before in U.S. coinage. For collectors, this small detail is exciting. It's like discovering a hidden signature from history. Now imagine someone discovering this coin today in a jar of old change. At first glance, it looks like just another nickel. But when you notice the date, when you realize it was minted during the chaos of World War II, suddenly the coin feels different. 1919 at Jefferson Nickel. Imagine finding an old coin in your pocket, a simple 5-cent piece. Most people would look at it for a second and then forget about it. But sometimes a coin carries a story that quietly connects the past with the present. Now look closely at the year on this coin, 1997. Compared to the wartime coins from the 1940s, 1997 feels like a completely different world. By this time, computers were entering homes. The internet was beginning to grow, and a new generation was stepping into a modern age. Yet the design of the coin still carried the face of Thomas Jefferson, a man who lived more than 2 centuries earlier. That alone is fascinating. Think about it, a coin made in 1997, still honoring a leader from the 1700s. It's like history refusing to disappear. The building on the back of the coin is Monticello, Jefferson's famous home. For decades, this design stayed almost unchanged, traveling through countless hands across the United States. But the real story of a 1997 nickel isn't just about the mint. It's about the journey. Somewhere in 1997, a brand new coin left the U.S. Mint shining and perfect. It probably went into a bankroll, stacked with hundreds of other coins. From there it began its silent adventure. Maybe it was used to buy a soda from a vending machine. Maybe it was dropped into a tip jar. Maybe a kid received it as change after buying candy from a small store. Coins move quietly through everyday life, witnessing moments we never notice. Over the years, this little nickel could have traveled through thousands of pockets, wallets, and cash registers. Each scratch and mark on its surface might tell a hidden story. A long road trip, a busy restaurant, a school cafeteria. And then one day, years later, someone finds it again and looks closely at the date. For collectors, coins like this are interesting not because they are extremely rare, but because they represent a piece of modern history. Sometimes special mint errors or high-grade versions of these coins can attract attention among collectors. But the real value is something deeper. This coin survived decades of circulation in a fast-changing world. While technology moved forward at incredible speed, this small metal disc kept doing the same simple job it had always done, passing from hand to hand. It's a quiet reminder of how everyday objects become part of our personal stories. Somewhere, someone might have used this exact coin during an important moment in their life. Maybe it was part of their first purchase, their first job, or even a simple moment of happiness that nobody else noticed. Coins rarely speak, but if they could, they would probably tell thousands of stories. And that is why collectors continue searching through old change even today. Because sometimes the smallest coin can connect decades of history in the palm of my Jefferson Nickel cinematic story. Imagine holding a small coin in your hand. A simple nickel that most people would ignore without a second thought. But if you look closely at the year stamped on its surface, you'll see something interesting. 1952. That tiny number quietly carries more than 70 years of history. Back in 1952, the world looked completely different. The scars of World War II were still fresh. Families were rebuilding their lives. and the United States was entering a new era of hope and uncertainty. During that time, millions of coins were being produced, including the small Jefferson nickel. When it first left the mint, it was brand new, shining, smooth, and perfect. No scratches, no fading, just a fresh coin ready to enter the world. Somewhere in America, this exact nickel might have been handed to someone as change from a small grocery store. Maybe a father used it to buy candy for his child, or a young student dropped it into a jukebox to hear their favorite song. Coins travel through life quietly, witnessing moments nobody records. Through the 1950s, 60s, 70s, and beyond, this small piece of metal might have passed through hundreds of hands. It could have sat inside old leather wallets, dusty piggy banks, or busy cash registers in small-town stores. Every tiny scratch on its surface may hold a hidden memory. Maybe it traveled across cities during long road trips. Maybe it sat forgotten in a drawer for decades. Or maybe it was part of someone's lucky coin collection. For collectors today, coins from the early 1950s carry a certain charm. They represent a period when everyday objects were built to last, and when coins were used constantly in daily life. Most 1952 nickels are not extremely rare, but condition matters a lot. A well-preserved coin from that era can still attract collectors who appreciate pieces of history you can actually hold. But the most fascinating part isn't just the value, it's the journey. Think about it. This coin has likely survived more than 70 years of circulation. Generations have grown up, technology has changed the world, and entire decades have passed. Yet this small nickel still exists, still carrying the face of Thomas Jefferson, a man who lived centuries before it was even minted. In a strange way, the coin becomes a bridge between three different centuries. Jefferson's time in the 1700s, the minting year in 1952, and the present day. That's the quiet magic of coins. They are small, ordinary objects, but they outlive the people who once carried them. So the next time you find an old nickel in your pocket, don't ignore it too quickly. Look at the date, because sometimes a tiny coin can carry a story that has been traveling through history for more than half a century. And who knows? The coin sitting in your hand right now might have already lived a life longer than yours. The 1954 Jefferson nickel, something that most people would never look at twice. A simple coin, just 5 cents. But if you turn that coin slowly under the light and look closely at the date, stamped beside the portrait, you'll see a number that quietly carries more than half a century of history. 954. At first glance, it looks ordinary. A worn nickel with scratches, fading details, and the familiar face of Thomas Jefferson staring silently into the distance. Most people would toss it into a jar or spend it without a second thought. But coins are strange objects. They travel through time. They survive decades. And sometimes, they carry stories nobody even realizes exist. This particular nickel began its life in 1954 when the United States Mint produced millions of Jefferson nickels for everyday circulation. Fresh from the mint, it was bright and shining, its edges sharp and its surface flawless. At that moment, it wasn't old. It wasn't rare. It was simply new money entering the world. Imagine the first moment someone received it. Maybe it was handed across a small grocery counter as change. Maybe it landed inside the pocket of a young boy buying his first comic book. Maybe it was dropped into a jukebox playing a song that filled a diner with music. Back then, 5 cents could still buy something meaningful. Candy, a newspaper, a small moment of happiness. And just like that, the coin started its journey. From one pocket to another, from one city to another. Through the years of the 1950s, the world was changing quickly. Televisions were entering homes. Rock and roll was beginning to rise, and families were rebuilding life after difficult times. That small nickel might have witnessed it all. Coins pass through hundreds, sometimes thousands of hands. Every person who touches them leaves behind tiny marks. Scratches appear, the metal slowly dulls, and the once perfect surface becomes worn with time. But that wear tells a story. Maybe this 1954 nickel sat in the cash register of a busy gas station on a hot summer day. Maybe it rested inside the purse of a grandmother who saved coins for her grandchildren. Or maybe it traveled across the country inside someone's pocket during long road trips across American highways. Decades passed. The 1960s arrived with new music and cultural change. Then the 1970s. Then the 1980s. Technology evolved, people changed, and entire generations grew up. Yet the small nickel continued to exist, still circulating, still quietly surviving. And this is where something interesting happens. For most people, coins lose importance as they get older. They become forgotten pieces of metal. But for collectors, age creates curiosity. Collectors often search through thousands of coins, hoping to discover something special. A rare mint mark, a unique error, or a well-preserved piece from decades ago. The 1954 Jefferson nickel is not extremely rare by itself, but in higher condition or with specific mint marks,